What is up, peeps? We are back on the road. Just finished doing the afternoon shift teaching at the local high school here in Hanoi City. It is time to head to another workplace now. It's getting to peak time as well, so there's going to be quite a bit of traffic out here on the roads. We're like in a part of the city called Bading. So yeah, it can get quite congested. A little bit scary for people that haven't been here to Hanoi and trying to ride a motorbike for the first time. This police truck is over here on the right. Let's just get in front of him. Those guys are probably going to do a police stop somewhere up here. They just do checking licenses or making sure that people are wearing helmets. If you don't wear a helmet, you get fined. I think it's a couple of 100,000 Vietnam dong if you don't wear a helmet. So we've got to navigate all this traffic. It get quite busy, as you can see. Just up a bit, it's going to get a little bit busy and congested too. There's a little tight spot where a lot of the motorbikes actually come together in a funnel, choke point, I call it. If we can try and navigate ahead of that choke point or get around it, that would be cool. Yeah, it's getting busy. It's getting to 5:30 in the afternoon. So between 5 and 7 is kind of the peak time. It's peak time for most, I guess, countries anyway. 5 p.m. to 7, because that's when people finish work. So everyone's trying to get home. I really think that Hanoi needs a subway system. The subway system would be way better, or some kind of metro system like Thailand. How Thailand has in Bangkok. Thailand's got that overhead rail system. If you've ever been to Bangkok, it's a pretty awesome system, man. And it connects to the main train line out of Bangkok to the airport. I think Hanoi should work on doing something like that to eliminate all the motorbikes. They said, one government official said by the year, I think it was 2030, they want to eliminate the majority of motorbikes. How they're going to do that actually is another question. I have no idea. So we're coming up to a choke point. Go in this lane. See, here it is. Everyone's congregating here. There's cars trying to come down the side there, which I don't think they'll make it, but we'll see how we go. This is kind of one of the major choke points here. Bottleneck. I call it a bottleneck because they're doing a lot of construction here. I'm actually not sure what they're building right here. You can see the cranes in there. There's lots of cranes. Anyway, the weather's getting a little bit humid. It's getting kind of humid. Just trying to miss all these cars coming down. I hate these big SUVs here. They can be a pain in the butt. I've only got one person in them, and they're taking up a big portion of the road. But that's Vietnam styles, you know. It's about status here. It's about Can you see me in my high status? Don't worry, dude, I'm not gonna hit you. Don't you hit anybody. Try and get through Vietnam styles. There you go, man. The Vietnam styles, you just go through, follow the traffic. Red means go, green means go, orange means go but be careful, and red means go, be extra careful and at your own risk. But I hate waiting there for like 2 minutes, because you gotta wait there for like 2 minutes. I'm like, hell no. Just make sure there's no cops around and you're all good. Actually, I've seen like people go past, go through the red lights, and the cops are in the middle directing traffic, and the cops don't do anything. Guy on his phone up ahead. Dude, get the hell off your phone, man. Check it out, this guy here, he's on his phone. That kind of stuff holds up everyone. Damn idiot. Get ahead of the bus. See how all the cars take up a lot of the lane? So us poor motorbike drivers have to navigate through like all the little nooks and crannies that we can find to get past them. It's Vietnam styles, you know what I mean? Vietnam styles. Try and get up the front. It's another little choke point just up here. Should be a cop up here. Usually there's a police officer directing traffic. Oh, there he is. There he is over there. This is the other little choke point, but it's not too bad. Just don't like waiting at those lights for ages. Anyway, I just thought I'd vlog, give you guys a little look at what the traffic is like at peak time inner city styles. This is the vibe. Look at this guy on his TV. He's got like a massive, looks like a 65-inch TV right on the back of his motorbike in front of me. See if I can get up to him. Here it is, here. Check that out. Vietnam styles. Okay, so we're gonna have to go right here. You find all sorts of things on the back of motorbikes here. I've actually seen like a cow on the back of a motorbike, and I've seen a motorbike on the back of a motorbike. I've seen like 6 people on the back of a motorbike. It's so weird, the stuff you see here. This guy's on his phone while driving a motorbike. Dude, get off your phone. Beep, 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 beep. Alright, that's pretty much it, man. We've got through the majority of the heavy traffic. Anyway, I thought I'd just show you guys like a little bit of the peak time traffic vibes here. Vietnam styles. That's me, guys. I am going to head to my next workplace, have some dinner, and start doing some work, man. So thank you guys for tuning in to this short vlog, just giving you a little look at the city street vibes on the motorbike. I'll see you guys on the next video. Experience the journey, inspire others, live life, guys. Peace.